Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0015 refers to the Variable Valve Timing Control (VTC) system encountering a timing issue where the exhaust camshaft phase angle is more retarded than what is commanded by the Powertrain Control Module (PCM). This inconsistency triggers the PCM to identify an abnormal condition, resulting in the storage of this diagnostic trouble code, DTC. The VTC system is crucial for optimizing engine performance and efficiency by adjusting the timing of the intake and exhaust valves based on various driving conditions. Components such as the VTC Oil Control Solenoid Valve B and VTC Actuator B play significant roles in this operation. If the timing is improperly set, or if there's a malfunction in these components, it can severely affect engine performance and emissions, leading to potential drivability issues. Given the complexity of variable valve timing systems, it's vital for technicians to follow a systematic approach to diagnose and rectify this issue effectively. This presentation will guide you through troubleshooting steps for DTC P0015, ensuring that you can accurately identify and resolve the underlying problem. The DTC P0015 indicates a malfunction within the variable valve timing system, specifically related to VTC Actuator B, which is responsible for adjusting the timing of the exhaust camshaft. When this actuator doesn't position correctly, it means that the exhaust camshaft phase angle is not aligning with the commanded value, something the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, continuously monitors. The PCM utilizes data from various sensors to detect this timing discrepancy. If the phase angle exceeds acceptable limits, it categorizes this condition as an abnormality that needs urgent attention, leading to the code being stored in the system. The physical location of these components is typically within the engine's timing cover or cylinder head, making access somewhat challenging during diagnosis. Understanding the layout and function of these components is essential for anyone tackling this particular DTC. Several potential causes can trigger the DTC P0015, which revolve around the VTC system's components. First, a faulty VTC Oil Control Solenoid Valve B can prevent proper oil flow, leading to malfunctioning of the actuator. This valve plays a critical role in regulating the oil supplied to the VTC actuator, directly affecting its ability to adjust timing. Second, a defective VTC Actuator B may fail to achieve the commanded position due to internal wear or damage. Lastly, if there is any blockage or debris in the VTC system oil passage, it will disrupt the oil flow necessary for actuator function. This accumulation can significantly impede system performance and lead to the retarded phase angle condition that causes the DTC. Understanding these possible causes helps technicians prioritize their inspections and tests effectively. When DTC P0015 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest that indicate an underlying issue within the VTC system. A primary symptom includes reduced engine performance, as the engine may struggle to optimize its power output due to improper valve timing. Drivers may notice a decrease in acceleration response and overall engine smoothness. In addition, there can be decreased fuel efficiency because the engine cannot operate at peak efficiency when the valve timing is off. This code could also lead to emission control issues, potentially causing vehicles to fail inspections due to higher emissions than permissible limits. Only by identifying and addressing these symptoms can technicians ensure the vehicle performs efficiently and meets environmental standards. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0015 is to start the engine and observe the general condition of the variable valve timing system. This initial observation can provide insights into how the system is operating under typical conditions. After starting the engine, technicians should listen for any unusual noises, such as rattling, which could indicate further issues with the actuator or solenoid. Additionally, it is paramount to check for the presence of the DTC P0015 using an onboard diagnostic OBD2 scanner. If the code is still present, it validates the functionality issues observed in the VTC system. This verification helps establish a baseline before delving into further diagnostics or inspections. The next step is to test the VTC oil control solenoid valve B for proper operation. This component is critical as it controls the oil flow to the VTC actuator. During the test, technicians should ensure that the solenoid is receiving the proper electrical signals from the PCM and that it is functioning smoothly without any resistance or issues. If the solenoid fails the test, it must be replaced to restore the function of the VTC system. Additionally, it's essential to inspect the solenoid for any obstructions or debris that could prevent proper oil flow. This examination also extends to the oil passages leading from the solenoid to the actuator, ensuring that any buildup is cleared to enable optimal performance. After assessing the VTC oil control solenoid valve B, the technician must inspect VTC actuator B for any signs of failure. This actuator is essential in controlling the camshaft's timing, and any mechanical wear or damage can severely impact engine timing. The inspection should focus on evaluating the actuator's movement, ensuring it can achieve the desired positions as commanded by the PCM. Often this requires testing under load conditions to simulate realistic operating environments. If the actuator shows symptoms of failure, such as sticking, excessive movement errors, or no response, a replacement is warranted. Addressing actuator issues promptly is critical, as they significantly influence overall engine performance and efficiency. The final aspect of troubleshooting involves inspecting the VTC system oil passage for clogs or debris that could impair oil flow. This passage is crucial because it ensures that oil travels to the VTC actuator and solenoid, facilitating their operation. Technicians should ensure that any obstructions, such as dirt or buildup from engine oil, are removed. A clear oil passage ensures that the VTC actuator can perform as intended, thus aligning the camshaft phase accurately. If during the inspection, any debris or clogs are found, they need to be removed and any underlying issues addressed to prevent future occurrences. Ensuring the system is free-flowing is vital for maintaining proper variable valve timing and overall engine health. After completing all troubleshooting steps and making necessary repairs, it is crucial to verify that the system is functioning correctly. Begin this process by clearing the DTC P0015 from the vehicle's computer using an OBD2 scanner. Once the code is cleared, conduct a test drive under various operating conditions to monitor the vehicle's performance closely. This drive should include acceleration, slow speeds, and possibly uphill climbs to ensure that the VTC system operates as intended. Pay careful attention to whether any symptoms resurface and monitor emissions to ensure they remain within acceptable limits. This verification step is vital to confirm the effectiveness of the repairs made and to ensure drivers can confidently operate their vehicle without recurrent issues. To prevent DTC P0015 from occurring in the future, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is imperative. Regular oil changes using the manufacturer-recommended oil type and grade can significantly minimize the buildup of sludge and debris within the engine. helping the VTC components function smoothly. It's also essential to use the correct oil viscosity as specified in the owner's manual to maintain optimal oil flow to critical engine components. Technicians should also periodically inspect the VTC oil control solenoid and actuator for any signs of wear or contamination. By addressing minor issues before they escalate into significant problems, vehicle owners can promote longevity and reliability in their engine's variable valve timing system. In conclusion, understanding the intricacies of the variable valve timing control system is vital for diagnosing and resolving issues related to DTC P0015 effectively. By following the systematic troubleshooting steps outlined in this presentation, technicians can accurately pinpoint malfunctioning components and address them accordingly. This comprehensive approach not only addresses immediate concerns, but also sets the stage for preventative maintenance practices that can mitigate future issues. Recognizing the importance of regular inspections and oil maintenance will further enhance the vehicle's overall performance and longevity. With these practices in place, vehicle owners can enjoy reliable and optimal performance from their Honda Accord while minimizing costly repairs down the line. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.